Captain's Vlog day 14. We're out here. I thought today I'll show you my ride so you guys can look at it and wonder. So we got the front of it. Yeah, it's got a hatch.
Pretty nice front.
Pretty nice front. We got the tow rope so I can save some kooks like Zach. We got a map of the vicinity of like the Maldives and North Shore, Oahu and Fiji, as you can see. We got the cockpit and we got some netting, the foot pedals to control the rudder. Got my paddle. And this is my special thing that I can't talk about because it's special. Here's the pump, so I can get rid of the water from all the kooks that stuff up, like Zach. We've got a hatch cover that holds my stuff, and this is the rudder. Alrighty. Well, another great day out in the water. We're hoping for strong winds, big waves. Psych levels are high right now. Yeah.
Right.
Oh yeah, we're in Fiji right now.
When did we get to Fiji?
Last night.
I thought we were at North Shore last night.
Oh yeah, we're going to Fiji. Sorry, it's a bit confusing when you're out in the water so much. We're in North Shore, Oahu right now. Hawaii.
The waves are rolling in.
The waves are rolling in, yeah, look at it. Bang, big shories. Alrighty. Captain's Vlog, day 14, out. I'm dying.